After 6 weeks flying from the US to Asia, meeting with our trip travel gear manufacturers in China, popping into Macau, hiking, paddling, swimming, squeezing, and riding our way through central and northern Vietnam, it was finally time to head east and make our way back to the US to get our sweet peanut Pepper, who's been staying with my parents. As of 2020, there's no direct flights between Vietnam and the US. Popular layovers include Tokyo, Taipei, or our chosen route, Seoul, South Korea. It was time for a bit of a Finn holiday. Welcome to 24 Hours in Seoul.
It was a little bit better than the frozen corn dogs at the Kenosha County Fair. No offense, Kenosha County, but yeah. Wait, there's nice no dog. String. It's just cheese.
Oh, you just got a cheese one. Aww.
I thought there was still a dog.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Disappointing.
That's a vegetarian one.
Good.
In Seoul, you can go and have drinks with raccoons. Let's go inside.
Okay, checking your pocket. No wallet, no coin, no tissue.
No. Man, they seriously want your wallet. So.
Raccoons steal everything. Bye.
Yeah, I got it. Thank you.
Wait, I didn't know this guy was gonna be here. There's, yeah. There's no dogs coming over here. Just this dog.
This one is Jummy.
Imagine how much more pepper.
I didn't know there was gonna be bonus dogs here.
I didn't know either. I thought it was raccoons only.
Oh, this is a fun toy. Oh, you know what it is. Nice, Scratchy.
Wow, everybody comes over and says hello.
Scratchy. Yeah. Oh. Oh, it feels good.
Raccoon Cafe. Not cute, very sad. In theory, this sounded really adorable, and we went in, we got our drink, we just came out. That was the quickest $20 we've ever spent on anything that we've traveled in. It was so sad in there, and just, I don't know, I don't do well with animals in cages and stuff, and it was just, the whole experience was very, very sad for me, and we don't even, so we're leaving. I don't have a whole lot to say other than that, like, this leads into bigger conversations like zoos and things, like, just, I had a feeling of sadness, so did Tim, and so now we have left the Raccoon Cafe. Very interesting at first, now just, we're leaving. I think it's the cutest. Shopping down here is not intimidating, but there's just so many options, and so I've done my research knowing what stores have what, and I have notes in my phone of what I wanted to pick up here in Seoul based on what different beauty vloggers have suggested. So yeah, it's fun to go in and browse and stuff, but there were some things that different stores are known for, and I'm so grateful that I kind of like did my research, because now that we're here and like it's just so fun, I'm having smart fun, not becoming overwhelmed, being like, oh, I recognize that brand, and I'll go in and check out their whatever cream. So that's what we're doing right now, and Tim is, where did he go? Tim's being a good sport. Obviously today's my day, but whatever. I just got off of 2 weeks on a motorcycle, so let's go see inside. It's important to have a list. I'm noticing some stores, they are coming at you and trying to sell you things, and so I don't even like to browse with that because they're like, this is this, this is this. They're like, this one's the best. I'm like, yeah, well that one's $150 for this little jar. Like, I'm sure it is the best. So I feel good that I have my shopping list, and that way I can go in and specifically look at the product that I want, or if I'm browsing, then I can just, I don't know, leave a store if I feel like I'm just being sold to or something. Yep. There's lots of people around here taking pictures of ice creams, which I bet we will do the same.
Keep it straight.
Yes, good idea. Keep it straight. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Keep it straight.
Is this too much ice cream? Said no one ever. Cheers. Will this white shirt make it through this ice cream endeavor? I don't know, it's dripping down my hand already. It's not that hot out, it's just ice cream. Gotta sugar up for all this makeup shopping. Well, it's just me now. Tim didn't feel good, so he was going back, and this obviously isn't really up his alley anyways. If there's anywhere to be holding a camera in front of your face and not feel weird about it, this is the place. Having a camera in front of your face is essentially like a rite of passage here. Absolutely no one is looking at me, and I am walking through the center area. I mean, the hardest part about doing this, that you don't really get the awkwardness from that side of the screen, is just like the whole surrounding world around you. Most places in the world make you feel so weird because everyone's, I don't know, it's just like something to look at, right? But not here. Just like looking around, nobody could care less that I'm walking through the center of the street with a huge camera in front of my face. I love it.
It's on. Oh, he said he wants us to wait.
Like turn it down, yeah.
There's more barbecue sauce. Oh yeah, of course. Wait, I think I can do that.
Hey, me too.
Alright, I got it. Thank you. I'm on it.
어디든 갈래 이태원에서 술 한잔 할래 친구 집에서 잔다고 말해 오늘 밤에는
Get in there! go meet those frogs. You did a great job.
So cute! Hi! Bye-bye! How is South Korea?
It was cute.
Stinking cute!
Cute here.
Look at that slop! Everywhere.